got an amazing update for the price action indicator, including a brand new price action signal and 2 new filters that totally changes the game on all 4 signals now. It's Tuesday evening. This is a 5-minute micro NQ chart. Let me just start scrolling back here. So here's the price action signals. I've got 4 different signals. Got these gold arrows. I've got light green and light pink arrows. I've got green and red dots. And I've got white diamonds. The signals include big wicks, full body candles, the ebb and flow price action trading strategy that I came up with, and the brand new feature, wickless candles for regular candlesticks. I've got the wickless feature on the Heikin-Ashi indicator. Now I've got the wickless feature for regular candlesticks. So this is from a little bit after London Open to earlier this afternoon. It was a holiday today. I didn't do any trading. I've got one of the new filters applied to all 4 signals. It's a stochastics filter, and I've also added an RSI filter, along with the Bollinger filter that already existed. So if you've seen any of my other videos, you know that I like to wait for confirmation after getting any kind of signal. So right here on this signal candle, I would be looking for a break above the signal candle. We do not get that. On the next candle with the next signal, we do get the break above, get a nice push back to the 20 SMA. Also had point of control drawn down into the bottom of this wick. The point of control is being printed by the ultimate POC indicator. And the candles on this chart are being printed by the MMT Ultimate Heikin-Ashi using the Heikin-Ashi core logic. All of these signals are from the MMT price action indicator. And this is a free upgrade if you already own the indicator. And if you're interested in checking it out, there are links in the description. So let me keep scrolling back. All right, here's some more signals. We've got some ebb and flow signals to the downside and the upside. Got a couple more wickless signals right here. Let's keep scrolling back. Got a big wick signal there. Full bodied candle signal. Big wick signal. Big wick signal, but price does not break lower. Here we've got an ebb and flow to the downside. Price breaks lower. A bunch of different full bodied signals. Big wick signal. A triple signal on this one, but we don't get the break lower. If it doesn't break lower on the next candle, I'm usually not as interested. We do start to break lower about 20 minutes later, but we're right at the 20 SMA. Point of control is drawn down into the bottom of this wick. It's a really big wick, tiny little body, very bullish candle right there. Let's keep scrolling back. Not that many signals on this chunk of the chart. We've got one ebb and flow signal, never break higher, no trade. Double signal, ebb and flow, and a full-bodied candle. Get the break higher, get a nice push up. Here's a 1-minute chart after the Asian session open. Got some wickless candles, some ebb and flow signals, some more ebb and flow, some more wickless. So the new signal, that's when there's no wick on the top of the candles for the shorts. See, there's no wick on any of those 3 candles on the top, and the opposite for the longs. So let's have a look under the hood here at the new MMT price action upgrade. We got the ebb and flow section, got the wicks and dicks section. See here, I have changed the name. Used to be called boner candles. I got sick of looking at it all the time, so I changed it to full-bodied candles. And instead of girth, I've got body size, slightly more family friendly. So you can see I've got all of these signals checked on. And here's the newest category, the wickless candle. Got this checked on. You can have a custom wickless wick size. So with this default setting of 1, the wick has to be less than 1 tick. You could bump up this number if you want to get some more signals. You can change the color of the arrows and the offset. Here's the Bollinger filter, which I had in the previous version. If you apply this filter to any of the different 4 signals, then the candle will need to be straddling the upper or lower Bollinger Band to print a signal. I've got a new RSI filter. If this is checked on for any of the signals, then the RSI will have to be overbought for short or oversold for long. You can change the overbought and oversold levels You can choose the RSI period. And here is another filter, the stochastic filter. This is the filter that I have activated for all the signals that we just saw. So not only do I have to get an ebb and flow signal, or a full-bodied signal, or a big wick signal, or a wickless candle signal, but if I have these checked on, the stochastic also has to be overbought for a short or oversold for a long. You can change all the parameters there as well. And you can mix and match all of these filters. You could have them all checked on or just a couple here and there. Fully customizable. So those are the new updates to the MMT price action indicator. If you already own this indicator, all you have to do is go to your WAP user area and download the latest version, then import it into your NinjaTrader, and if prompted, click yes to replace the old version, and you should be good to go. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And like I mentioned, there are links to all the indicators in the description. I appreciate you taking the time to tune in. Thanks for watching, and best of luck in your trading.